Okay, this is motherboard, new motherboard. This is processor. There, understand?
Sure.
So if you buy a new motherboard, new processor, what you'll do is that first of all I'm going to take out the motherboard. This is a SATA cable. This is a motherboard. This is a back panel cover, and this is a motherboard driver. Okay, clear? Okay. Okay, done. Now what you have to do is that next is that this is a processor. This is a 12-core processor, Intel Pentium processor, LGA 1150. Motherboard also LGA socket 1150. Here, LGA 1150. So same to same. Otherwise not work. Here LGA 1150. There. Now take out the processor. Fan. This is a CPU fan, and this one will be the processor. Okay. Here, processor. So this processor is Intel Pentium G3 3.30 GHz. This one 3.30 GHz. Put here. Okay. So here, first of all, open this one. Remove. You see here, remove. You see here, remove. Okay. So like this. Then unlock. Then here processor. Compare the notch to the bridge here. So here, slowly adjust it carefully. Okay. You see this point? Okay. This is point. This is point. So this is point to point. You have to compare that one. Okay. Done. Clear? So now what we'll do is that this is done. Okay, so now next is that the fan. Okay. Here the fan. Okay, this is the fan. So here this is heat sink compound chemical here. Here is the fan. 1, 2, 3, 4. This you see this here is unlocked. Later on it will lock. Okay. So now this one I'm going to connect into a CPU fan. Okay. Not a system fan. This is channel fan. CHA. This is channel fan. This is a CPU fan. You see. So I have to connect here. Clear? So here what you have to do, okay, check it here, 1 2 3 4 here also. Clear? Then what you have to do is that press down. Okay, press down, press down, press down. This one also press down. So now this is lock. Clear? Lock. Okay, to unlock you have to press this side and pull. Okay. So here I'm going to connect this one to here, CPU fan. Okay, done. Clear here? So done. Next is that the back cover. Okay, back cover panel. take out this one because we already changed the motherboard. Take out here. Yes. Done. So now here we have to connect. This is back. So here we have to connect here. What is this one? Audio. Where you have to connect the audio? This is the one. Audio. Okay. You see, compared to this pin. Clear? For audio, connect it here. Now USB. If you don't connect this front USB, it will not detect from front. So this is USB. So where is USB? This is USB. Okay. Clear? So where you have to connect? You have to connect it here. Now this is the reset. Where we have to connect? We have to connect in this front panel. You see this here, front panel. So reset, that this is power, then opposite to power will be your reset. 2 pin here, then here will be your negative and positive, negative, and here will be your positive, and here will be your power switch will be here, should be here, then here will be your hard disk LED. Done. So now this is the SATA for the hard drive. This is SATA 6 GB, this is SATA 3 GB. Okay, so connect where? To 6 GB. Okay, so keep it down here like this slowly. Here. Check from here, check from here. Okay, now screw the one. Don't over tight. If you over tight, then it will damage the circuit. Okay. So wait, now that so we'll connect this hard drive. Right, check here from here. Okay, this one should be top on top. It should not be like this, otherwise it will drop anything, dust will get stuck here. So this will protect. Okay, so you keep it here, keep it here or down, that is something. So check here, all of this. Check here, 1 2, see this one, 1 2 0 here. Okay, so then let's go for the hard drive. This is the one. Okay, done. So now there's power. So where do you have to connect the power here? Check that one. See, this one power here. Okay. So this one we don't need DVD. So we connect. This is 12-volt power. So that one we'll connect it here. This one then for hard drive. This one will connect the power to the hard drive. Just make it like this, so it will not get stuck to the fan. So I'll connect it here. So this is the data cable. So now the RAM. This is the RAM. This is the RAM. See here. There's difference between here short, here is long. Okay, so how you have to check here? Short and long. See there. Unlock the RAM slot, then push it down. It automatically lock by itself when you push. Okay, so done. Then what you have to do is that make sure that this cable will not touch to the fan. If it get stuck there to the fan, it will get damaged. Okay, so I'll tie out this thing like this. Yeah, done. So come, now we'll install this OS here. Come. Connect this here. USB, then VGA cable, USB keyboard mouse, and now pen drive, bootable pen drive. Okay, there's power. And here, then we'll start. Then here we press F2 or delete. F2 or delete to enter the BIOS. Is it? Yes, sir. So here, this one is just for one time. So configure that is F1. Okay. Then here we'll look first to default setting, that is F5 default setting. And then now we're going to boot direct. Okay. That is boot menu. What is that one? F8. F8 is boot menu. Or you can check from here. Okay, because this is a new hard drive, or this we're going to delete everything. Okay, so we don't need to change from boot setting. We just change from a boot menu, that is F8. That is not UEFI. Sorry, this is legacy BIOS. So MBR partition. So you have to do that. Yeah. If in GPT partition, if you have more than 2 terabyte, then you can use a UEFI BIOS. Clear? And GPT partition, you can divide up to 128. In MBR, you can divide only 3 partition. Okay, 3 partition. If you divide more than that, it will crash your system. Because I already have an experience. Okay, one of that students, her PC is damaged because have 4 partition. Okay, so here click on next. Here install. Clear? Okay, here don't have a pro key. So here pro, here next. Okay, and here accept, and here custom. So I'm going to delete everything and use a command shift plus F10. Okay, so here you type this part. Clear? This part, enter. here list this, enter. Now this is my pen drive, that is 14 GB, okay, or 18 GB. This is a hard drive. Okay, so what I'll do is that here I select this 0 or 1. Tell me. 0, because why? 0 is hard drive and 1 is for the pen drive. So select 0, space 0, enter. Now it's selected, then you type on clean. Done. Okay, succeeded. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we're going back. So now custom. Now we create at least 80 GB for C drive. Almost 80 GB, 70 something. Because 1024 MB equal 1 GB. If we want to get the exact 1024 into 80. Okay. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So here, this is your C drive, D drive. So this is less amount, so we divide only D. If we have more than we have around 200, 300, then we'll divide to 3. So this one also we format from here. The C drive also we format. Install the operating system into this partition 4 next to system reserve. Here is your C drive, D drive, C drive. Click on format. Okay, clear. And after that, next. So that is how to install, and it takes around 40 minutes to complete the installation. Chandra hasil. Thằng đấy after supply nha. Đấy là ada di rumah ya. Nah. Nó là integrator. Where's that one?
My best kita cina tu ini record tu. Macam ni. Dah tu screen recorder. Dah tu toolbox kan. Dah record tu. Pada smooth aja.